Hello and welcome to my third Business Spotlight. Today I will be featuring American National Title in Lockport, Illinois. And I'd like to introduce Tony Valley and Karen Borg, the President and Vice President of this title company. So I am here today to talk about title insurance. And as you know, you're in the business, so you're comfortable with all what goes on. But I wanted to spotlight and give people some information about what goes on behind the scenes. What is a title company? What does a title company do for a buyer or seller? Who are their clients? Their clients, are many different people. So, Tony, would you like to, tackle that?
Absolutely. The clients, we have a lot of clients. They start, first of all, with the realtors that we deal with. The realtors will then bring us into the attorney world. They'll bring us attorneys that want to be on either the buyer or sell side. And then their clients, the people that are actually purchasing the home.
Mm-hmm.
When you deal with the buyer's attorneys, you're also going to deal with a lender a lot of times. Sometimes there's cash deals. But in all, we probably have at each transaction 6 people or 6 parties for each transaction.
Mm-hmm.
The 2 realtors, the 2 attorneys, and both of their clients.
Mm-hmm. And what does a title insurance insure? What are they looking for? What is the...
There are two parts to a title policy. One of them is going to be the lender side, and one of them is going to be the owner side.
Mm-hmm.
A lender wants to be made aware and insured that they are the first lien holder on the property. The owner side, people that are buying the house want to make sure that they get the home free and clear of any other encumbrances from the seller.
Mm-hmm. What would you say makes you guys unique as far as your, there's a lot of different title companies, there's a lot of realtors, a lot of attorneys. What makes you different as a title company? Because we could close our properties anywhere, so why, what makes you unique?
Well, I think there's a couple things that make us unique. When you walk into our office, you're walking into our home. We're a family here as we work, so we kind of take that on with all of you and guide you through the process. Some of the things that Tony was discussing you don't see, but there's many, many conversations going on throughout the time of your closing that we try to cure, so by the time you are sitting at the table, everything's very happy for you.
Yeah. What do you do for the clients or your client partners? What do you do for them that they don't even know you're doing behind the scenes? Like what kind of things? What would you be doing?
There are so many conversations that we have with the attorneys and with the lenders and with you guys as realtors prior to anybody getting to the table. We like to think that if someone calls us and there's a problem with the property, anything, if they've got any problem with a bill that it wasn't paid or any kind of lien on the property, that we can take care of it prior to getting to the table, so that when you get there, it's a relaxed and a very calm closing. Nobody wants to come into a stressful situation.
Right. It's an emotional trip as it is, so it's having an insurance policy on your hand or people like you that just make you feel calm.
We get excited when the customer gets excited,
right.
So it's good.
We like to see smiles walking out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Many times they call it the closing table, but I like to call it the celebration. So it's like it's great to celebrate with you guys, and I've done a lot of business with you, and I always enjoy coming here as closing because I feel like it's like you said, Karen, a kind of family atmosphere. Got great cookies. You always call back. I mean, it's important. Like I've worked with other title companies where they I don't even know who they are or what they're doing. I mean, that's why I wanted to do this spotlight. I mean, I feel like I'm friends with you along with business partners with you. So I just, that's what I...
It's exactly what we're trying to do. We want everybody to be comfortable here. We don't want you to think you're just another file on the desk.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody that comes in here should know us, and we should know them.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we want everybody to think.
Mm-hmm. Great. And so you're here in Lockport on State Street, but you will be moving your office. Where's your office moving to?
Would you like to take that one?
I'm not sure the address, but it's just about 3 or 4 blocks up the street off of 9th Street.
Right next to my office at 1165 East 9th Street in Lockport. So you're going to be my new neighbors at
very
my new
good.
office. So,
Very excited.
So excited, and I'm so happy to be able to spotlight you on my business spotlight.
Thank you.
Thank you, Terry.
Bye.